So this is almost the end of the harvesting season for this year, and I just wanted to show you a quick look of how my really tiny garden looks. So I haven't still yet made enough efficient design in terms of vertical gardening. That's something I probably want to do next year. But so this starts with some drying out some of the seeds for next year. So this is watermelon seeds, and then I have some spinach, and yeah, planted some more spinach just to see how long they would grow till the winter just comes in. And then I have some tomatoes. They need to be red, and I hope soon. Some of the trees like the bush beans are almost dead, but they have given me plenty. I have some capsicum. I have a tiny watermelon popping up. I am not sure if I will ever get to see them. It's too late anyway. And then I have some cucumber trees. They have given me lots of cucumbers, and then just 2 more left, and hopefully they will be done. And then I have lots and lots of strawberries. I did plant some garlic as well. I haven't taken the garlic greens, but I hopefully will take 1 garlic from here. And this one is a very productive design because I have lots and lots of strawberries, and I usually pick up like 4 to 5 every day. I have a potato tree. This is almost well dried up, so I need to pick potatoes soon. I can actually see some potatoes popping up, which means they are almost ready, and yeah, I need to pick them up. I picked some coriander from my garden, and I'm just drying them up, and then I'll just put them in the jar. And so then I have some tomato trees here, some bush beans as well, but they're almost done again. So as I said, this is almost the end of the season. And then I have lots and lots of tomatoes. I plan to pick them up soon, maybe today. And I do have 1 pumpkin tree, but I'm not sure if I will ever have any this year. It's just too late to have pumpkins right now, so I don't think this person is ever going to do anything to me. And here, maybe, yes, I have 1 tomato waiting here as well, but that's it. So this area is just only 5 meters square, but still gives me plenty.